The newest smart speaker from Apple has arrived, and it's arrived in its very, very nice Apple Store bag that was custom made for the HomePod. So we're going to drop it out of here, apparently upside down, because I didn't prepare for this unboxing ahead of time, and we're going to take a look to see what the speaker has to offer. I mean, what else can I say about the HomePod that hasn't been said already? It's $350. It's the new speaker from Apple. It doesn't have Bluetooth. I'm just going to say that right at the beginning. If you have an Android phone or you don't have an iPhone, if you're still rocking Windows Phone, Palm Pre, whatever, you probably shouldn't buy this unless you have literally every other Apple product, because you're limited to Apple Music, you're limited to AirPlay, and that's pretty much it. Of course, if you have like iTunes Match, it's still good too, but whatever. So here is the actual HomePod itself out of the box. I did get the space gray version right here. And in the bottom, you have your usual array of Apple paraphernalia. You've got your quick start guides, you've got your little terms and conditions thing, and there's an Apple sticker right in that other little disc. So we're going to take all of this extra stuff, which, by the way, I got to say, the packaging is really nice on this thing. I know that's kind of redundant to say that about Apple products, but they went the extra mile with this one. So here's the HomePod. Going to turn around for you to see. There's the back with that nice little built-in electrical cord right there, swinging all the way back to the front. Very clean design, very minimal. And, of course, we got a... Perfect. And there's the HomePod for you.